Whispered conversations, late at night, underneath the covers, in my mind, wishing you could be here, by my side. It would be so right, it would be so right. Whitey and sneakers, always cool, only perfect features, and attitude. Every time I see ya, it's deja vu, 'cause I keep on falling and falling for you. Baby, you're a classic, I just gotta have it every day. Sprinkle up the magic, making me feel some type of way. You got me saying, baby, you're a classic, classic, ooh. Ngayon ninais ko ang tulad mo, wala na nga iba sa isipan ko. Kapag kasama ka, it's so damn fly. I keep falling and falling for you. Baby, you're a classic, I just gotta have it every day. Sprinkle up the magic, making me feel some type of way. You got me saying, whoa. Baby, you're a classic, hey. Classic, classic, ooh. Let's go. I keep falling and falling for you. Baby, you're a classic, I just gotta have it every day. Sprinkle up the magic, making me feel some type of way. You got me saying, whoa. Baby, you're a classic, 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 ooh. What is up, Warner family? We play here, make some noise! Yun na yung malakas? Make some noise! Again, everyone, magandang gabi po sa Warner family na nandiyan sa paligid. Andito sa harap. Mas maganda ka pa rin. And of course, yung mga present tonight, Berries, are you here? At syempre, Bongbong 18! I'm very happy to perform again as a solo artist. It's been a long time, it's been a long time. And feels like, I don't know what to say tonight, kasi I'm used to perform with my, you know, with my brothers, SB19. But tonight, I'm doing it solo again tonight. I'm very thankful to Warner for having me tonight. Thank you so much, Celine. I love you so much. Thank you, Celine, Nika, and of course, Kelly. Where's Kelly? Where's Kelly? Thank you so much. Hi, I love you so much. Oh, you're here. YGIJ is here. Hi. Grabe, kanina nasa dressing room ako, and then hearing all the Warner artists, talagang sabi ko, kinakabahan ako kasi parang ako lang yung artist na magbabalad tonight. But sabi ko nga, I feel so proud na to represent mga people who loves ballad, right? So tonight, speaking of ballad, I'll be performing one of my favorite song from my EP. Syempre from my EP, alam ng EP ng iba, diba? And it was written by the one and only Pablo. He's actually here tonight. Pablo is here. He's here. He's here to support Ken, Felix, and me, of course. Sobrang tagal ko ng... Ha? Yeah, he's here. Yeah. So, it's been a long time since I performed this song. Yeah, he's here, promise.
Hindi ako nagbibiro. Ayun, it's been a long time since I performed this song and super excited ako to perform this again for you guys. And if you know the lyrics, if you know the words, you can sing with me or sabayan nyo ako, okay? So the next song that I will be performing is titled Anino. Ako'y nandito lamang sa tabi mo at kahit kailan may di tayo iiwan dahil ang tala ko'y napiyag ng mata mo pero wala kong anino sa tuwing nahariyan ang liwanag mo at kahit na ganun pa manayayakapin lamang kita wag nang maalala pakilan may di na mag-iisa. Kung yun ang bubuhay sa liwanag mo, dala kong pangako sa'yo na pala siya nagawa sa mga batong pinusa. Nili ko mang naipong bigat na iyong dala-dala. Kahit na ganun pa manayayakapin lamang kita wag nang mag-alala pakilan may di na mag-iisa habang buhay kita manayayakapin lamang kita wag nang mag-alala pakilan may di na mag-iisa habang buhay kita Wow, grabe. Nakamusta na ni-perform yun? With the blue microphone and a blue mic stand. Grabe. Alam niyo ba, ano lang, fun fact, na yung microphone na to and yung mic stand is from 18 Berries. Parang ano, regalos nila sa akin nung birthday ko, kaya Berries, thank you so much. And nung na-receive ko to, talaga na-feel ko, grabe, sumakses na talaga. Kasi ano na, parang solo artist na talaga, which I embrace kasi nga supported talaga, well supported talaga ako ng mga people around me, kaya I'm very thankful. Thank you, Kelly. Nakita ko na siya. Thank you, Kelly. I love you, man, so much. And of course, I want to acknowledge Make It Makati and Ayala Malls. Thank you so much for making this event possible. Kita ko yung mga tao sa likod talaga nag-enjoy. And I think everyone's having a blast tonight, right? Are you guys still having fun? Yes. So, bago ko tungo sa aking next performance, gusto ko lang, okay lang ba mag-promote po saglit? Okay lang. Yeah. So, a lot of you naman, alam na I'm in a group, right? So, yes. Yeah, thank you. At alam niyo yun. So, meron pa kaming mga upcoming shows outside the country. So, SB19 will be having a world tour and meron pa kaming Oceania and New Zealand leg. So, if you're interested to watch one of our shows, one of our stops, you can visit SB19 Official or Official SB19 and you can buy tickets kung saan man po kayo malapit. Kasi balita ko, may mga international fans na pumunta here. Meron ba? Meron? Magingay nga yung mga lumuwas pa ng ibang bansa to watch we play here. International fans, make some noise! Kasi, speaking of tour, kasi yung fans din, grabe yung tour eh. And of course, same with SB19, may tour. Pero alam niyo ba na yung next song ko, for my last song, itong song na to, na-tour ko na rin to. And I'm very thankful sa Warner family na hinayaan nila akong i-tour. Ang Room talaga, sobrang memorable, sobrang happy yung experience, sobrang life-changing as a solo artist. I discovered a lot of things about myself because of this tour, and of course, I'm very happy and thank you. Sobrang mahal na mahal ako ng Warner family and mahal na mahal ko sila. Kaya naman, for my last song tonight, I'm very excited to perform this again, this song. So, are you guys ready? Parang hindi ready. Are you guys ready? Make some noise! If you feel sexy tonight, you can dance with me. Okay? So, kung kanina ay nagbalad ako, ngayon naman, try natin painitin yung gabi. Are you guys ready? Warner family, are you ready? For my last song, this is Room. To what I'm about to say, you will find the answer. This energy that's winning me might be too much to take. Damn, it's so pretty. I see me flow in your body. Picture perfect movie, trembling fills me. I don't wanna end it. Savor every bit of it, 'cause we're not in a hurry. I hate to break it to you, but in this world there's no one living. To you, but in this world there's no one living. And now you've tried one of a kind. It's okay if you cry, but I see you smile. But I think you're way too high. Hope you come alive.
and I. Space, we don't need that, let time slow and space. Fade to black, cause now we're face to face. There's the only answer, this energy that's within me will never let you get. Damn it, it's so pretty, I see me flow in your body. Picture perfect movie, trembling fills me, I don't want anything. Savor every bit of it, cause we're not in a hurry. I hate to break it to you, but in this world there's no one living. Dance. As long as you're here with me, you won't take no hurt, cause I will be your sanctuary. If you'd only let me orchestrate the story, we won't have to leave this room, cause I'm your everything. Can you read the room? Read the room. But in this world there's no one living. Again, Warner family, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Make It Makati, and of course, Ayala Malls, maraming salamat. W3, thank you so much. 1Z, thank you so much, 1Z Entertainment. Again, 18, Berries, Warner family, thank you so much. Have a great night. Again, this is Stel. Maraming salamat po.